evaluate the integral of cosine square root of x over square root of x dx from 0 to 8. So we can apply u substitution. We can let u be equal to square root of x. Getting its derivative of u du, derivative of square root of x. So square root of x is equal to x raised to 1/2, applying fractional exponent. So therefore, getting its derivative using power rule, we have 1/2 x raised to 1/2 minus 1 negative 1/2 dx, or du is equal to 1 over 2, applying negative law of exponent. X will go down the denominator because it has a negative exponent. We will have 2x raised to 1/2 dx, or in terms of radical form, 1 over 2 square root of x dx. So what we just need on the original integral is this term dx over square root of x, which we have produced from the derivative. We just have an extra coefficient of 1/2, which we don't need, so we get rid of that by multiplying both sides by 2. So we'll have 2 du is equal to, canceling out the 2, 1 over square root of x dx. So since we have definite integral and we use u substitution, we need to get also the new lower and upper limit in terms of u. So if the original lower limit is 0, so if x is 0, we find the value of u using the substitution. U is equal to the square root of x, which is 0. So u is square root of 0 or 0. So this will be the new lower limit in terms of u. While if x is equal to the upper limit 8, again we substitute in the u sub, we have u is equal to the square root of x, which is 8. So u is square root of 8, or that's equal to square root of 4 times 2. So square root of 4, 2 times square root of 2. So this will be the new upper limit in terms of u to square root of 2. If we rewrite the new integral in terms of u, we'll have integral from the new lower limit 0 to the new upper limit to square root of 2. And then cosine of square root of x, which is u, and then the dx over square root of x, that's equal now to 2 du. So we multiply this by 2 du. So we can just put the constant 2 in front. So we'll have 2 integral from 0 to 2 square root of 2 of cosine u du. So 2 times the integral of cosine u du is positive sine u. And then let's evaluate from 0 to 2 square root of 2. So let's substitute first the upper limit to square root of 2 with u. So we have 2 sine of 2 square root of 2, and then minus, substitute the lower limit 0 to u, 2 times sine of 0. So we have 2 sine 2 square root of 2 minus 2 times sine of 0 is 0. So therefore, we just have 2 sine of 2 square root of 2 because this will become 0. So the final answer is 2 sine of 2 square root of 2.